Hello,
Hi,
can you please introduce yourself?
my name is Juan. I'm 10 years old. I live in Tamil City. I'm in class 5 at daily school.
Okay, that's good. Okay, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you, and you?
I'm okay. Did you swim?
Yes, I did. I swam with my mother.
Did you take photos?
Yes, I did. I took photo with my father.
That's great. Did you collect seashells?
Yes, I did. I collected seashells with my brother.
Great. Okay, what did your family do in Halong Bay?
We took a boat trip around the bay.
Boat trip.
Boat trip.
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 Good. What did your family do in Sydney?
We saw some interesting
Places.
places.
So good. What did your family do in Singapore?
We bought souvenirs.
Souvenirs. That's good. Okay. Will you decorate the house for Ted?
Yes, I will.
Will you make baju for Ted?
No, I was.
I
I
won't.
I won't.
Too good?
I must spring rolls.
Okay, that's okay. Will you do the shopping for Ted?
Yes, I will.
Good. Okay. Where will you go at Ted?
I will go to my grandparents' house.
Where will you go at Ted?
I will go to a flower
Festival.
festival.
That's good. Okay. What will you do on Children's Day?
We dance.
What will you do on Sports Day?
We play badminton.
You'll play badminton. What will you do on Teacher's Day?
We sing.
Sing, that's good. Okay. What food will you have at the party?
We have pizza.
What drink will you have at the party?
We have milk tea.
Good job. How does she stay healthy?
She does morning exercise.
She does.
She does morning exercise.
Good. How does he stay healthy?
He eats healthy food.
Good. Okay. How often does she do yoga?
She does uh, once a week.
Once a week. Good. How often does he drink orange juice?
3 times a week.
3 times
3 times.
a week. Good. Okay. So come here. What's the matter with you?
I have toothache.
What's the matter with you?
I have a sore throat.
What's the matter with you?
I have a headache.
Good. That's a good job. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Good.